Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Lake Superior. Today is our last full day. There is a freighter out there. Our last full day, and we are headed down to the beach for a couple hours. We just got done with lunch. We went on a little road trip earlier on a couple little adventures. So we are back at our main hub and we're going to spend some time at the beach. It is absolutely beautiful. Blue skies. Where's the sun? The sun's right there. Lake Superior is super calm and it is very warm. So Lake Superior's temperature today is 54 degrees. When we got in town about 4 days ago, it was 49 degrees. So Lake Superior is getting warmer. This is our walk down. This is what the sand looks like. It's a very soft sand. The water's so clear and calm. Here comes the jet ski. There's the freighter. Got our spot set up. We got our beach bag over there in the shade. And this is how far we are. The girls are going to do a little bit of swimming, they think. Is there a lot of fish? Look at how cool. Ooh, it is nice and warm. It's so calm. Oh my gosh, look at the fish! Yeah, they're hiding in the rocks. It's not bad, Aubrey.
I mean, it's cold, but not too cold. Look at their sand right there. Do you want to go out to it with me? No, I'm not going back.
That freighter's out there.
Is that too deep to go out to?
No, you can go out there. I'm right here. But be careful, Lake Superior is dangerous, but the rip current, it doesn't look like there's any rip currents. I mean, you're not going to swim out there very far. By any means. You just go up to your belly button like you do in the ocean.
It's so cold.
See that little fish?
I don't see fishies.
Like there's 3, 4 there.
The water is so clear.
So clear, but it's also super cold.
Because it was so hot.
Yeah, it's very warm today, so the colder water feels pretty good. You definitely have to wear shoes, so the girls are in Crocs and I'm in slides. Those are the dunes we walked to. Got waterfalls down there. That's to the left of me standing. And then to the right is the lighthouse.
Here I go.
There she goes. She's got her goggles. She's ready. Did you? Oh my gosh!
This one's kind of big.
What?
Avery's skipping rocks. She skipped 2 rocks 5 times each. Oh.
The little ones are harder. You need to have the right size. That one went 3.
Alright, I'm going to take some pictures. We're going to end this video here. We're going to see if Aubrey can do some swimming. If she can, if she's brave enough, I'll post a picture.